Right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, fellow YouTubers. You join me and Matthew on a sunny Thursday afternoon, and we're heading to Barnsley National Tyres because Matthew got a back tyre fitted yesterday to his Tuono, and it would have to have 190 fitting to it. And I fit him a 180 and charged him for a 190. Ooh, that's a bit bad. so he's played pop with them. I'm heading back up there now to get it sorted out. And I don't know whether they're going to give it money back for extra that they charged him. It's about 20 quid. Or whether they're going to put it 190 on. I think he wants 190 fittings. He likes a big fat one. Do you know what I'm saying? He likes the big fat one, does our Matthew? Do you know what back end? You know his back end? He likes the big fat one up his back end, does our Matthew? And there's big fat bit of rubber up his back end. There's big black one. So I think that's what we're going to do. Go and get his back tyre swapped, and then go for a blast to Willy Woods. Willingham or Willoughby, fuck knows what it is. I think we're going to go for a little blast down there. Let's see what it gives. Let's get some tyre changeage. Tyre changeage. Let's get some tyre changeage. Tyre changeage. Some tyre changeage. I'm turning left. I'm turning left. I'm turning left. I'm turning left. Oh, popped up lights there. It's warm. Oh, it's warm. Oh, it's warm.
Did you get yours
Today?
no, did you get yours today?
Oh yeah, did you?
Oh, exactly.
They've got that deal on again, that Michelin deal. But it's fucking boiling. But trouble is, my front one's alright. It's my back one that's squaring off. And they've only got a deal on if you buy a pair.
Fronts will do 8,000 miles, but the back will only for that thing.
Yeah.
Tumors and shit.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So she's been to discuss all that stuff. Yeah, I know. Fucking lovely.
There's a gym up there, that's where she's
I must have fucking.
It's good to gym. So I don't want to join, but I'll give you 5 a month.
Yeah. I just want you to save me all fucking towels and I'll come in once a month and fucking sniff them.